Siyempre, inisip ko ulan.
I laid awake the whole night long and wondered as
Oh,
I
wala ka.
roamed. When you woke and touched my face, I knew that I
Parang kulot.
belonging to someone I find
Alas 9 pa.
is very necessary. The load is lighter on your mind when someone helps to carry. And even though I'm strong enough to make it on my own, I would not even care to try to live my life alone.
So, yung vaccine na yun, ano naman daw yun, kasi tapos yung sa Bacolod, ano naman daw yun, nahantos, hindi nahantos.
If I lived my life alone, with no one to belong to,
Oo.
no one to pledge my heart or sing my song of love to, my melodies would soon dry up, and the words would leave me too. It all
Ako, saka yung wala na akong ano
to
sa
pass if I
nakakasas na yun.
could not belong to you.
Nakakasas, ayun nga eh. Kaya tumatagal pa lang, nakakabasip. Tapos siya kasi ko pa pag-uwi. Ano nga, tapos mag-deposit ako pa sa 7-Eleven.
I could almost
Hindi na ako naiinip eh. Kaya ayoko lang balikan yung shopping na yun.
I gave mine all to you. I knew you would never stay.
Okay, sige. Ingat. Oo.